Okay, so now we can paint these babies up. If you can wait until it's more dry, you can see the difference in color. It's going to be a lot easier to soak in the paint, but then also you have to wait until it's more dry. I'll show you the difference. It just kind of sucks it in as opposed to this one where it'll kind of like float on top. So yeah, you can see it's drying on there a little bit, but you definitely get a more smoother and even coat if you can wait for it to dry a little bit. And then you can use these just like your regular paints. It's actually colored slip, it's colored clay, and then we'll dunk it in a clear glaze and it'll be shiny. You kind of use the brush strokes to sort of make like lines and stuff too. Alright, so let that dry a little bit. And then this guy we can come back to. If you are going to paint it right away, there is one thing that's kind of fun that's harder to do when it's drier. So this clay is going to be whitish, so if I just left this gray part, then it would look like white after we fired it. Here's what you can do when the slip is still kind of soft. You can take like the edge of your brush and just take a little off. And you might want to experiment with thinner lines. You can go ahead and grab your black slip. And see how there's like a little water on top? You just want to kind of mix this up. And if you want, you can practice painting on like a separate piece of paper so you don't mess up your dude. Just to kind of see how it works. So maybe this one I'll just paint the jack-o'-lantern face straight on the orange.